This is the Vintage Coach Casino bag, style number 9924 in the color black. And this specific bag right here was made in the US in 1996. So this is a great smaller style bag. It also comes with a top handle, which I think is a great style element. I feel like it makes it a lot easier to handle the bag when you're taking it on and off. And it also comes with this detachable strap. So the strap attaches up here to these hardware pieces. And it looks like this with the strap on. It's a great little bag. So I'll go ahead and show you the rest of the bag now. So as you can see, it's got a front turn lock closure. And here's what the sides look like. It's got a little seam down here. And then here's the back. It does have a back slip pocket. And then here's what it looks like when the bag is opened. It comes with a back slip pocket as well, along the back of the bag. And then of course it's got the Coach Creed. I'll insert a photo now so you can see the Creed better than I can pick up on camera. So you can see that the bag is of course authentic. So that's the cute little casino bag, style number 9924. This bag is now available in our online store. If you wanted to check her out, the link will be below in the description box. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching. Take care, and we'll see you in our next video.